So you've been working on a project, you've had loads of projects on your home page, and you've accidentally deleted one. So I'm going to show you today how to retrieve your deleted project. So over there on the right hand side, just above AI image generator, tap on the trash, and then you've got all your projects in there that you've created. If you do a right click, and then it restores your project. So when you go to play, when you go to play that project, if you've got all the media still there, it will restore it. Now, if you found this useful and it's got you out the depths of despair, please like and subscribe and make a comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching.